In today's video, I'll be showing you a tax loophole that can save you thousands of dollars on your taxes, especially if you are investing in crypto. But before we get started, I would appreciate it if you smash the like button and subscribe to the channel. Also, check out the links in the description box below for some free crypto. Check out KuCoin for some awesome low cap gems. And don't forget, check out that BlockFi credit card if you want to earn free crypto on every single purchase. The holidays are just around the corner and you can be earning Bitcoin buying presents. And now let's jump straight into the video. Alright everybody, so tax season is only a couple of months away and a lot of people are pretty much scattering around trying to figure out what they're going to do about taxes. This simple loophole can save you thousands of dollars on your taxes. But keep in mind, these loopholes will not be around forever and new legislation passed by the government can wipe it out completely. So make sure you take advantage of it while it's still here. It can save you a boatload of money. But before I show you this loophole, I want to make one thing clear. I'm not a tax professional. I'm not a tax advisor, not a financial advisor or any of that stuff. So make sure you do your own research before you do any of the things that I'm about to mention. So if you are like the majority of people that have invested in cryptocurrency this year, chances are you are sitting on some awesome profits. But now the end of the year is coming and you're starting to wonder how much are you going to owe to the government. One great way to lower the amount of money that you have to pay to the government is by using the wash sale rule. The way this loophole works is very simple. Let's say you purchase $100 worth of Bitcoin and then Bitcoin drops 50% and now your $100 becomes $50. With this loophole, you are able to sell your Bitcoin at a 50% loss and then buy back immediately and have your exact same position. But now you can claim on your taxes that you pretty much lost $50 investing in Bitcoin. This, in my opinion, is an awesome loophole that you can take advantage of and save a boatload of money. Personally, I'm definitely taking advantage of this loophole. The IRS classifies virtual currencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Dogecoin, even Shiba as property. This means crypto investors are subject to the same taxes on capital gains and losses that apply to other investors. But with this important difference, they escape one rule that applies solely to financial securities, and that is the wash rule. This tax loophole, which might soon get closed by pending legislation, can save cryptocurrency investors a lot of money come tax time. But keep in mind, this only works with cryptocurrency. If you try this with stocks, bonds, ETFs, you're not going to gain any benefits. With these other assets, you'll pretty much have to wait 30 days. Let's say you end up purchasing one share of Apple stock and then that stock drops 50% and you end up selling. And now you have a 50% loss that you can claim on your taxes. But if you repurchase the Apple stock within a 30-day period, that tax break will not be there and you will not gain any benefits. But with cryptocurrency, it is a little bit different. With this loophole, you are able to buy back immediately the same exact position that you sold, but locking in that tax benefit at the same time. In my opinion, this is absolutely genius and this strategy should definitely be used. Best of all, crypto is extremely volatile. It can go up 20% one day and it can drop 50% the next day, making crypto the perfect place to take advantage of this loophole. But as we all know, the government wants their piece of the pie and this loophole will not be around forever. Given the growing popularity of cryptocurrencies, Congress is considering a tax law change that will make the wash sale rule applicable to cryptocurrencies. Closing this simple loophole will generate the IRS a ton of money from cryptocurrency investors. So 2021 is almost over and time to take advantage of this loophole is slowly running out. I believe in 2022 we are going to get a ton of regulations when it comes to crypto, and Congress will pass a bunch of new laws pretty much limiting on how much interest we can earn on crypto, staking, pretty much changing the tax rules and a ton of other regulation. I'm not sure if this will be good for crypto or bad. Only time will tell. But right now, I'm definitely taking full advantage of these loopholes that are still available. Alright everybody, that concludes this quick little video. Make sure you subscribe to the channel because I'll be sharing a lot more information in the next couple weeks on how you can save money on your taxes. So make sure you stay tuned for those videos. And as always, smash the like button, subscribe. Let me know in the comment section below what are your favorite loopholes that you are using right now to save money on your taxes. And as always, see you in the next video. Peace out.